Finally.
I assume you're in the ditch on purpose.
No, there was when cops come over, you're supposed to pull. That's what I did. But yeah, I went around and out. No, I'm stuck where I'm at now. Yeah. It's nothing but ice right there. I had mine 6 feet long. Nothing. But that's what I got stuck at. I couldn't go backwards, I can only go forward.
I'm pretty sure I only have one of these on purpose.
Like, blue works, but it's like super slow. It wasn't coming out. I was about to say, well, if you want to get behind me, I'll connect to the front and use my winch control to get out. And I'll hook to your front bumper with mine. You'll probably drag me across the road. I don't even have my feet in the ground.
I'm thinking if you turn all the way left, and I'm just going to line off your front end. We'll just loop the front end up here, and if I have to turn around right here, I can grab the ass.
What do you want to use to grab that oblong?
I always use metal on those, because if you use a soft strap, it'll pick it up.
Well, that ain't mine.
Alright, there we go.
Bill it to them. I want that friends and family discount.
He's empty, so that's pretty cool. I'm a little too close probably. So he's empty. So I got a shackle in the slide rail back there. I'm gonna grab that with one line and get this trailer about halfway into the roadway. And then once I get his trailer over, because you can see it's already floating, once I get his trailer over, I'll go up and grab his truck and pull it up. This road's a sheet of ice. And because it's so slick, when I go to pull his truck, his trailer is just gonna want to stay in the ditch. So I've got to get the trailer out first to avoid rolling it over as I pull his truck out. Baby steps. We're like little penguins. just like that.
Why do you like those things?
I forgot to back them off. Always, anytime you tighten the shackle, always back it off a little bit. Otherwise they get stuck. Just hit it on the ground, it should come out. No, I'm not undoing it, I'm just loosening this one up. Just leave the hook. Up, I can't see nothing. My wrecker to his fifth wheel plate, or right around his fifth wheel with a 15-foot grade 100 chain, and then Shane is going to grab the frame rail right here on the corner of the trailer and bring it around, and we're going to try and muscle this truck straight back onto the roadway. With the ice we're dealing with and everything, this is it's a little bit of a challenge. I'm not too sure exactly how it's going to react, so we're just going to hook to it and do what we know and hope for the best. So, see what happens. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do, like Michael's already spoken to you, being a flatbed trailer, it's loaded with wood, every single thing else. If it was empty, then we would do it a little bit different. But what's kind of, what I see, I would go to the axle itself. Pretty much wrap around the axles, go through, bring it back, and then come through. We are attached to the chain. Michael does have a little bit more seniority than me. He knows this a lot better than I do. He's taught me before, a lot of these flatbeds, they like to twist when going through. So what we're gonna end up doing is looking to see with how our current rigging is and kind of go from there to find out if we have to make any adjustments. Our biggest thing is trying to go through and get it over about a 4 to 5 inch lift when we end up going through. So currently, we're going to take both vehicles and then kind of bring them back towards us to get it right back on the road, back into this lane. So we'll go through, see how it works. Over now. Hold on. I'm going to get my block to see if I can't get it on the block and let it slide over. If I can get the wheel to roll up on my block, that should fill in the gap and it slide over. Because I'm not going to be able to get that without either on the tire or something. Alright, let me see what I can do with this tractor. See if I can get a tractor. Ready? Yep. Alright, I'm on the road. Get that front tire. Alright, so the trailer's up on the road right now. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to reposition the vehicles. Got everything in free spool. He's already set the brakes, of course. We're going to go ahead and pull forward about another 10-15 feet and finish pulling her out. So right now what I'm doing is I'm watching his winch cable. Mine's pulling a little bit faster than his. When I see his droop down, I'll release on mine so he can get a little bit of a light on his truck. As you see, his line's starting to droop. I'll stop mine, let his go pull, and I'll steadily let mine get caught up with him. Done with this is he went around the fifth wheel plate with a grade 100 chain, so he's kind of taking that to steer with it. So right now he's got the majority of the truck right now. Now I'm going ahead and taking it with my trailer and pulling him, keeping an eye on his chain, make sure that he don't get caught up in the wheels or the mud flaps. I got to go back up and grab his front tire and put it up on the roadway. It doesn't want to climb the lip over there on the edge of the road. So we're going to break it down. I'm going to do that and this guy will be ready to drive out.